Hello, Lisa and I are here to try this gum. It is from the company Sleater, and the gum is called eksi WA.
And I guess that means sour face, because on the back side it says sour face with the same logo.
So yeah, it means sour face in whatever language this happens to be, which I really couldn't tell you.
This is gum. I have strawberry, she has Tutti Frutti.
Tutti Frutti.
So super sour, then gum, so sweet.
I'm not going to stick around for the gum part because, you know, not really easy for me to do that. But I will do the sour part.
The worst part.
I'm already scared.
I'm waiting for her to do hers first because I got to watch. I've already done one of these.
You want to get over there so you can watch?
No, I'm watching from the camera.
Oh, you're watching the screen.
I'm going to watch the screen, yeah.
Okay, it's got like a, I'll see if I can find a link to this, by the way. It came in that treats basket, or treats box I got from Amazon. I'll link that below as well. But if I can find the specific brand or whatever, I'll try to link it. But yeah, it has a very textured look to it. And a little bit of white powder is flaking off of it as I hold it.
Yeah, stop brushing off the sour, you guys.
Okay, here we go. I'm so scared. Oh God.
He left it like 2 seconds. It's sour. Super sour. It's stuck on your tongue, yep. She didn't brush away much.
You do it.
Oh, okay.
That is horrible. Yeah. I didn't even last a second. Like literally, I did not even last 1 second with it.
I already did one. I know this is bad.
The Tutti Frutti didn't help.
The red one. Strawberry.
Good luck. Can you chew through it? Maybe? Yeah, just chew through it.
Well, you gotta get the sweet to get relief. There we go.
You getting it now?
Yeah, see, now it's chewing up, but that first sip.
It just made my mouth start salivating like mad. Nope.
And then it's good after you break through and get some of that sweet, extreme sweet.
I don't think anything can make this good. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried a sour gum before. And if you haven't, do you like sour snacks? Let me know, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.